The iPhone 18 lineup is coming this fall, and while the new iPhone Ultra foldable is grabbing headlines, the real volume will be in the Pro and Pro Max. Today we're looking at 6 rumored features that made the iPhone 18 Pro a massive leap forward. First up, the design. Expect a smaller dynamic island. Apple's reportedly moving Face ID components under the display, giving us the cleanest screen in years. On the back, the polarizing two-tone look is gone. Apple's aiming for a unified design, blending the aluminum and glass perfectly. Plus, keep an eye out for a rumored dark cherry finish replacing last year's orange. Under the hood, the A20 Pro chip is the star. It's Apple's first chip built on a 2-nm process using new WMCM packaging. This isn't just a small bump, we're talking 15% faster speeds and a 30% better efficiency. This chip is built to crush AI tasks and keep your phone cool under pressure. The camera is getting a literal physical upgrade, a variable aperture. This lets the lens adjust how much light hits the sensor, giving you true mechanical bokeh and better depth of field control without relying on software. Apple's also doubling down on its own silicone with the C2 modem. It replaces Qualcomm entirely in the Pro line, promising better battery life and potentially expanded satellite connectivity. Need more juice? The 18 Pro Max is expected to be slightly thicker to pack in a larger battery. And for those who found the camera control button too finicky, rumors suggest Apple's removing the touch-sensitive tech for a simpler, more user-friendly physical button. Is the variable aperture enough to make you upgrade? Or are you waiting for the foldable? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.